Now, another mode of reproduction in unicellular organisms is budding. Budding takes place in Hydra as well as yeast. In Hydra, the organism body is divided in two. This is the body and it has got tentacles. Tentacles can be drawn like this also. Now, in budding, a small protuberance is a swelling. A small protuberance arises on the body, and this protuberance then it grows, it starts growing. The protuberance, it grows into a bud. And when this bud attains all the parental characteristics, यानी इसमें जो हाइड्रा के जितने भी कैरेक्टर्स हैं सारे के सारे पेरेंटल कैरेक्टर्स, टेंटिकल्स, बॉडी सब आ जाएंगे. Then this bud, it separates from the parent body and it grows into a new individual. So, in budding, it takes place in Hydra. A small protuberance arises in the body. This protuberance starts growing as a bud. When the bud attains all the characteristics of parents, it separates from the parent body and grows into a complete individual. Yeast is a unicellular fungus. In this, the nucleus divides and then small buds, they are formed, and each bud upon separation gives rise to new individual. Another form of reproduction is spore formation. Spore formation takes place in bread mold, that is bread fungus called Rhizopus. The body of Rhizopus has the filamental structures called hyphae and the root-like structures called rhizoids. At the top of the hyphae there are blob-like structures. These blobs are called sporangium. Inside the sporangium are present various spores, and when the sporangium they get a moist surface, and then they burst, they give out spores, and on reaching to the moist surface, these spores they germinate into new rhizopus. This is how spore formation takes place in bread mold.